Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add API key on Coinbase. So in order to add the API key on Coinbase, you come to this option over here when you've opened up your Coinbase and then come to profile and settings. Isn't yet verified as you can see, but I'm assuming yours is verified, and if it's verified, I'll show you the steps you follow. So I'm coming on my Google over here and then search for how to add API key on Coinbase. So the Coinbase official website over here gives me a step one by one guide. So I'll come and open up that website. So once you open up that website, it will first verify if you're not a robot and first verify if you're really a human. So I just quickly need to verify this, or I'll quickly need to first verify that I'm a real human being. So it takes some time. You have to be patient until it's done loading. Alright, so if it's not loading, we shall use another website. I'll just go back home. Okay, so these are the steps for adding API or adding the API key on your Coinbase. Alright, step number 1 says select API in the bottom left of the sidebar in the Coinbase exchange. Okay, so this is step number 1. Then step number 2 says select new API key in the top right corner. Step number 2. Then step number 3 says populate the following fields. Field number 1 is create API key at the bottom. Then make a unique key and confirm your two-step verification. So this is very simple in very 2 steps over here. So if your Coinbase wallet or your Coinbase exchange is verified, you can go ahead and then add the API key very fast. And that's it guys. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.